Heyo! Welcome to the world of tomorrow. Here's a slow pan around the room. Some of the lights already turned on. This little cube set up with some of my anime merch already in. Then above that, a print shelf of some cute plushies, some that are gifted and some that I won. And then this whole cabinet area is just free merchandise. Yes, everything inside there, free merchandise. And here's a closer look at all of the Rin and Ray merch collection. And then here's Momo and Seijiro. This horrendous Rin and Ray Eat-It bag. And then inside there is more merch. Just more merch than you can possibly imagine. What's in here? CDs. So many CDs. Just endless CDs. What's in here? Clear files and postcards. Oh, so many. And then now we're moving on to the gallery wall with the wisteria that I put together. This little shelf here has some decorations and original art and some cute keychains. This over here that's being covered is my Nendo doll house. And then here's my figure cabinet from IKEA. Take a closer look here. Absolutely awful. Terrible. I love it. This little bamboo shelf here, it has some of my camera stuff under there. And then the rest of this is just unorganized merchandise, pins, buttons, things that I've collected from artist alleys. And of course, can't forget a Daiso corkboard complete with enamel pins. So underneath this gallery wall, which includes Token Rambu, Genshin Impact, and a little bit of Demon Slayer, my latest art project, which is this Zealand statue. I haven't found a really good setup for it, but it's so beautiful that I'm keeping it out on display anyway. Not that anyone cares, but here's my huge makeup collection that I never wear because I never go anywhere. And that little piggy is actually a humidifier. A lamp, a hanging pothos plant, some books and some extra bags and storage that I haven't really put away yet. And then over here is another small gallery wall with original artwork from various artists. And then my jewelry, nails, hair accessories, etc. And here is a quick view of the canopy that I made for my Jeanne d'Arc painting. A little rose wall. For the final part of my room, the danmei corner. This is all more or less official artwork for MXTX books. A little closer look at their shrine, the novels themselves, and then my prized art book collections, Vampire Hunter D novels, more art books, magazines, and then all of this is just zines and fan anthologies. So many, so many. Here's the second figure that I ordered for Good Smile. It's Wei Wuxian. And then my manga shelf, which doesn't even begin to hold all of the manga that I would like to hold onto it. And then another little shelf, and then my Vampire Hunter D wall that I have for some reason, just because I happen to have a lot of large posters for it. Down here is just some more unorganized merch, calendars and posters, and then my fashion magazines, and then a camera tripod. Some more purses and bags, and there you have it. That is my room.